you over the weekend. Now here Roberto Firmino now so soon now the emotions players maybe me Costas Chimicas on soon say na come up
but then Bobby Mame penny documentary na nche be Liverpool na Bobby Mame confirm no o de ani gie
exactly
because that's who send Bana be rise with Liverpool.
You see, he is the first true superstar of the front three. And as our front three na muhu no na front three no. Niene koso Salamani Firmino. He was the brain behind everything.
Okay.
Say omo ko shewa or number 10. Say oh babe show ma or number 8.5. Omo pressed on the starting. Forget about the goals. He scored. Oh, yeah. You see? Adeba am say nipa nim bidona nim ne say the first year about Champions League ni bi no. As a player or share 10 goals.
And no Hoffenheim and no
Liverpool. Hoffenheim crowd no am be that. 17-18 season na Liverpool bought Champions League in the first time. No?
Okay.
Or share 10 goals. So he's not just about the fancy football, but no end product. He's the highest scoring Brazilian in the Premier League.
And among each other man recognize
the man didn't know SSM. You get the point. Ombenya na nko bet now. But yeah, especially the Ghanaian footballers. These Brazilians have found a way to live when their applause is high. So when the body didn't to me mwani biema o free hokoboko. And it was poetic. Say on the day Liverpool go on the sunshine.
89th minute.
He's bowing out with his head so high. In the moment, look, Roberto Firmino in Bobo.
Because I know any part 4 now. Omo yes after one mama onu kwa one of the last person I went tie na all but on team say chance no you more than the 3 Nedika buy.
He's an incredible footballer. Me dem me room fini da Liverpool and Burnley a bomb match. Our clause on the contract mu say o shego bi or say man is kabi. Na ball no or boy we are. She say him say or katuma no anu ne hu say ahye. But na man in share go for over 2 months. Now jai jina host din my man be tapping ball.
Oh wow.
So he's such a selfless footballer and he's a symbol for the problems of Brazilian football. How crown original one.
Ade
Brazil any number 9 papa bi abiem. Number 9 say out and out. Who you Ronaldo free wa.
Where typical
omu nipa Luis Fabiano enye Fred enye obi obebia Richarlison omu nyina asan Gabriel Jesus enye ball no so a na wo yi name a free team num and you can't build Brazil around this boy onye fancy for to say Neymar or Sanwó-Odi no it became a problem for Brazilian football uja no ho a problem or the no so a you'd have to sacrifice Neymar and you can't do that. I'm happy for him, baby. Free ni hiemu pa o. And no dear Drew sa level way. Na his football always did the talking. Adeba koso Brazilians no buy England say omunya me somo ne omusu ban no. Em free omu. And we share Roberto Firmino and then Ebusia for any bibia. And yes Sevilla and can trophy be away European football will be awajibi. Say Sevilla share Liverpool. In the final in 2016, I was in Yakub Park, our Basel, Switzerland. And Roberto Firmino had crew a baby. But one shut down honor seeming in is symbolic of his lifestyle as a person. On your fanciful.
Why not have him for innocent person?
Oh yeah, free him.
Because me shana mamia, you know, the kind of anxiety and animal you know, as
Alison the papa a doctor. Ne so your doctor. Alison na no German roots tin e friend Alison Becker no nti onu nu hia sa
okay
Firmino babru chirintem kra Fabinho ne yere nso so every sikam nti no we ni exception we need the Oben Uruguay border northern Brazil from Marseille exactly that's where he's from so I mean it's good it was good
no matter you know me Canada
yeah and you no crowd senyor mo bananka hiyo mudem no so ti asenti say nyina ye hwe na ye nka se football no mo ya na ma ye ni ye se na be betima bo ama nkra na free him look Firmino has seen it all Alison na bonus
ja
I'll find some of the videos for you later. Converting into Christianity. Look, it's a whole thing. Nyoma Manchester and Northwest on in a matter of time. Never be brave summer, especially Brazilian and Latin American players. No matter team albo.
That South Americans, you know what that character now because after Chelsea City game no Ricardo be one fatos me say tama referee ball na ben City fans in invade pitch now Enzo ene Alvarez ena owura mu at the tunnel to the dressing room locker room no makodino no de wo mu si di nkomo no
kokokokoko a kai hu say yenchinie. And it's a training they get consistently all the time. I mean, it's so that omun reduane ni na edi. The baku ben reduane no mu now. First, Lucas Leiva or Liverpool. Ne na esa de no.
Okay.
Ofiri ono na Larissa no ebesom. So look, this is how they live. Ntete de amomo no. Sa ebe koso sa.
You see.
Ebe koso sa.
Beka say nyom kra na gina.
Sa na ti.
Say the Julian Gina or a shy person.
After the 90 minutes here, and you are for be careful. So it's beautiful, and a place no munsia.
But at the end of the said the education may enjoy it. But a bit also from Brazil or South America, no. On said there be a camera. And you are
elegant ones and Harry Charles.
Because we are Julian Alvarez and no across Edison. Ne push to say Uncle Fat Trophy.
No abafo from. Bakubi so a friend Maximiliano Peroni. Kitikiti bisa ono so ya no wadwane omo firi hiam o omo hwe omo nchi no baby omo firi no be ma bedru no camera na we obehu English boys no nkomo gina ho we mo no ntimi sa ne ho kra wo so omo mbe ye adwuma sabi se tizongo fo no me nya ha yi ne mo mba be pesika makosi dan papa o mfie me krom. I think we can, you know, SOMPA Vinicius Junior no man no bi mehu the Brazil president Luis Inácio Lula da Silva Swabeka na mehu Tebas the amanfo di Tebas atem. Let me put this
so almost a number press conference
and then the last time I made idea way, but you see me ankasa I'm growing tired of this thing.
Ade
cultural idea omudada sitinemu sanity ensesanda
Europeans no
it will never change. Sika ye bon dewro ne racism omo first kan man ne mfa Thomas Kito net man for Ghana ne enche bi mfa nyedwuma na me no mi ne enche bi ma guys bi enkodi mfa so bi eniso. Now the very people FIFA for now omo ema say no to racism they are racist.
E kwa be so
FIFA president no ja Haveland free on wa bi na ba
SOMPA
Blatter free on na ba
say Infantino
Haveland if you in December na Lennart Johansson the then UEFA president of Sweden the kind of French Rome. The way football is going, you can't have somebody from a third world country to be leading football. I'm not the normal idea grow. So
the football belongs to them.
Of course.
Of
course. As I see and not on the cruise way.
No,
not Vinicius Luka Modric.